Everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today as usual we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can easily delete your all mails on your Gmail. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So simply you will just go to your Gmail app first. Let me show you one thing. And once your app is there, your inbox is there, if you tap on particular email that you would like to delete, you will simply do that, and then you have to select each and every one to get this delete option. You don't have a select all option at all. So what you will do is simply just go to your phone browser and search gmail.com, and once you search, this particular interface will open up. You will simply tap on this use the web version option, tap on it, and then you will simply tap on this three dot above right corner, tap on it, and then you will tap on this desktop site option, tap on it, and then this particular interface will open up. Then you will simply tap on this three horizontal line on your top left corner, and you will zoom in and simply tap on this desktop option, tap in, and then this particular option will pop up. Then you will simply tap on this I would like to use HTML Gmail option, and then finally this particular interface will open up where you will simply go down, zoom in, and then you will simply tap on this Gmail view option standard, and this particular interface will open up. As you can see, once you tap in there, zoom out, you can see all of the emails are selected. So this is how you can select all your emails and delete at once on your Gmail. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video has given you answers of your questions, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.